Written on Screen. Vision Aid Spoken English Program for Beginners.
Good morning and good evening to one and all. It's my great pleasure to be a part of this moment where our young graduates will be sharing their experience with all of you. Vision Aid has come out with this program understanding the basic essential need to have the spoken English skill to make a difference in everyone's life. Mrs. Suja Albert from Mumbai, a passionate and experienced teacher, and Akash, with a lot of expertise in this domain, have put together a curriculum with lesson plans for task-based learning for the students, and a Train the Trainer program where the trainers will be trained on delivery of the session plans the way it is supposed to be done, and for classroom management where we retain the focus and attention of the children. The pilot program has given us the validation that yes, we do have a successful, scalable, repeatable program which will be there for decades to come to reach each and every person who needs this. And we have both the versions of spoken English training program suitable for classroom training as well as virtual classroom training. Now our training team and the students will share their experience. Thank you.
The SEP course was created out of a need to have a spoken English program targeted towards the visually impaired. The curriculum team started designing the program by defining the spoken English learning objectives for the entire course and breaking them down into lessons. The entire curriculum consists of 16 to 18 lessons. Each lesson covers a topic such as family, exploration of surroundings, dealing with emergencies, etc. Each lesson is made up of 3 to 5 contact sessions. The SEP virtual program has around 70 sessions. Each session is further divided into individual blocks that have defined language, grammar, and vocabulary outcomes. Learners are periodically assessed through formative and summative assignments. Dr. Lubena, a senior occupational therapist and senior advisor to Vision Aid, consented to go through the curriculum for quality assurance. The team also got valuable inputs from Mr. Justin.
Hi, my name is Lubina, and my small contribution to this amazing program was to do a QA or a quality check of all the lesson plans. From this outsider perspective, what impressed me tremendously was the very high level of clarity and the practical detail that was a part of every lesson. The scripts to teach the many essential but complex nuances and all the elements of English to students with visual impairments was so thoughtfully planned, and they covered a wide range of situations that the students might encounter in the real sighted world. So my kudos to the entire SEP team for an outstanding curriculum.
The program was to be delivered through Zoom, with all the attendant problems of unstable network connections, no access to mobile data, lack of electricity, and several more. The curriculum had to be delivered only through audio. Keeping this in mind, the team set up end-to-end processes and procedures, from handling the learner's data balance and WhatsApp behavior to having multiple contingency plans to handle student absence, delayed attendance, or network issues. For the SEP program to be scalable, it needs capable and adaptable instructors and program managers. Keeping this in mind, the team created a scalable teacher training program that combines live instructions, demo sessions, and audit of delivered classes. All this has been documented and recorded so that the teacher training can be replicated on a large scale.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi. I'm a trainer in Vision Aid's Spoken English program. Before I started taking the actual classes, I was trained for 2 weeks by Mr. Akash and Ms. Suja. These 2 weeks of training really helped me understand how the session plan was designed. It taught me about classroom management and how to deliver the classes clearly and concisely. It was an incredibly helpful 2 weeks of training, as it was very comprehensive in preparing me for what was to come in the actual classes. And till this date, I still refer to everything that I've learned in the training sessions as I take my classes.
Our training team has Suja as the lead trainer, well supported by Justin, Pooja and Sarah in all aspects of running the program.
Good evening everyone. Congratulations to the students of the SEP program, the first ever program conducted for the college going students. They successfully have completed the program. When this program started, the lockdown was still in force and there was a lot of anxiety. Our program was done in a familiar place over Zoom and the students enjoyed it a lot. They were curious about so many things and they learned so many things too. I thank all the students for giving this opportunity. I also thank Suja for being a mother-like figure to them. May this program continue and prosper forever.
Hello everyone, thanking you for having me here. Today is a wonderful day. My name is Sarah Khosla. Being a program manager since May 2020, I take care of placement and training activities. So this spoken English program for beginners has been started in the month of July, that is on 20th July. I feel education is very important to improve yourself, but learning English also improves the quality of life. This program has been started with 13 students with support of Justin sir, Suja ma'am and other team along with Pooja. So I feel unforgettable and amazing experience with students. They learnt very fast and improved a lot. So in this context, I wish them all the best of their endeavors. Good luck and all the best. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pooja Harish and I'm a final year student of Humanities at Azim Premji University, Bangalore. I joined the Spoken English program organized by VisionAid in the month of August 2020. I am truly amazed by the kind of reach we have developed. We now have several Spoken English programs running both in North India and South India, along with very motivated trainers. My experience with the pilot SEP was delightful to say the least. And I've learned so much from the students. I'm amazed at their level of curiosity and their capacity to absorb more and more information and retain everything and bring it back up and ask us very detailed, insightful questions. The difference between the programs that VisionAid organizes and other programs maybe done by external individuals is that we have such a warm atmosphere here and we encourage students to ask as many questions as they can and we get to know them personally and we care about their journey. I also wish all the students the very best of luck.
Written on screen. Thank you all from the VisionAid family.